Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels and to another episode of a tailgate review. Today I'm reviewing a camera drone that's not one of those mini drones. This is a nice, good camera drone that is large enough to you can fly in the wind, and it has GPS and all the shebang. Let me show you what it is. This is an Eachine EX4 5G Wi-Fi drone which has a 4K camera with 3-axis stabilizer system, 3-axis gimbal, and has GPS, and this should be a very nice drone. Let's open it up and see what is inside. And as you can tell, I got the version with the carrying case. Ooh, okay. And also I got the version with 3 batteries, and they claim each battery can give you 25 minutes of flight time. How much did I pay for it? I got it from Banggood when it was on sale for about $177 with the shipping, which was only about $2-3. It came down just below $180. And this is supposed to be a good drone that is similar to one of those DJI, smaller DJI drones. I don't know if I can claim that it is as good as the Mavic Mini or the Mini SE, but it's less expensive. Let's pull everything out. Here's one battery. Here is another battery. This is the cable for charging using a USB adapter. And a couple, how many? Let's see. 2 sets of rotor blades, not full set, half set. So probably one is A, one is B, one is clockwise, the other one is counterclockwise spinning. And what else do we have in the case? It also has the shoulder strap that if you want to carry it with the shoulder strap. I'm going to leave it in. I don't need that. And here are the information sheet. This is the operation manual, and feels really high quality. I'll check the English. And this is the disclaimer: battery safety guidelines and instruction about 5G Wi-Fi channel setting for different countries. They gave a list. Looks very thorough. And there should be another battery on the drone itself. Yes, there is. So you see this is the 3-axis gimbal. The camera is on. There's no protection in the bag, but the bag is really nice and sturdy. So here is the 3rd battery. I mean, this is a really great deal. If it can really fly even over 20 minutes, that will be perfect. This is a folding drone, and it folds out very easily. Very nice. Easily folds out and feels nice and sturdy, spring-loaded, and then you pull out these legs as well. So if you're landing on grass, the rotor blades are not going to start lawn mowing. Very nice, very nice. And then we have the controller over here. I'm seeing that also the controller is rechargeable, so it doesn't require. I was looking where I can put the battery on, and it looks like it is rechargeable. Do you see this port over here? And it says the battery capacity is a LiPo 2600 milliamp hour, 3.7 volts, so that's 1 cell LiPo battery inside. Does it have any power? Yep, it turns on. It's green. Let's turn it off. Alright folks, I missed something. I was looking, where is the phone holder? I couldn't find the phone holder. There is a secret compartment underneath where the drone was. So you just pull this out. Do you see this? And here it's a balance charger for the battery, because I was also looking where the hell is the port for charging the battery. I thought it will directly charge, but no, they have a separate battery charger, just goes in like this, and then you connect it via a mini USB. So this is really nice. So it clicks in like that. It says a different separate cradle for doing that. And here is the phone holder. And in this little hardware package, besides the spare rotor blades, there are 2 Allen keys. I think they will they can be used to take off these rotor blades. And I'm looking, and these are really nice and smooth brushless motors. So these are tiny little brushless motors. It's not brushed, so this is a brushless. Fold this back out like this, and then this tab goes to the back side here. It just slides into this slot like this, and it is nice and firm right now. I think this is the most it goes back, so it will be holding your phone at an angle. Let's see if my phone is actually going to fit into this. Yeah, it does. Even with the thick case, it's holding pretty nicely. So I'm charging both the transmitter as well as one of the batteries here in my car. So the battery charger is just blinking red over here on this side, and on the transmitter, one of the green lights is blinking. Alright folks, I think I was able to bind everything. It was a little difficult, the process, binding, setting it up. The battery's not fully charged, but we are losing daylight, so I wanted to fly it even if it may be a short flight. So I'm screen recording, hopefully it's recording everything, and I put a micro SD card to the slot on the bottom. I hope I'll be able to get some aerial footage. The camera is really facing down, so let's see if I can control that. Yep, okay. Looks like it is showing the right location now. And then I'm going to start takeoff by pressing this button. Nothing is happening. It says ready to go. And nothing is happening. Nothing whatsoever. And do I have to do a long press? Oh, okay. Alright. It's drifting a little bit. Let's raise it up a little higher. I don't think it's in GPS mode because it's drifting. It says position mode, but yeah, I don't think it's GPS mode. It is showing how many? Yeah, I mean, it's drifting with the wind. It is showing 8 satellites right now. And it's going around like that. So let's move a little high and then go around. Let's see if the video is and it's stable, coming towards us. This is full forward. I hope it's recording on the micro SD card, so if I let go, it's going to stay in the same place. It is resisting, not too bad. If I click return home, it's going to come and land here. I press return home, and if it has any GPS control, so there is something, safe flight GPS. Okay. So long press maybe on the return to home. So this should be returning home right now. So it's first going up to a certain altitude. I think that's the safety measure. I'm going to stop the return to home. I canceled it. Let's bring it back down. And I know that there is a button to increase the flight mode, the speed, but I cannot tell from here. Maybe there are some settings here. Altitude is set, low power alarm. No. Oh well. Let's fly it a little more and then see if we can get a little good footage. Alright, coming towards us. Let's get down a little bit. How does the video look? Losing a little bit of altitude while it's coming down, maybe. Of course, going towards the...
Going to all the places they're not supposed to go. Looking in people's windows.
It flies nice. I wish I knew how to increase the speed and okay, so is it stable? It looks like stable. It's in the GPS flight. I think the camera could be a higher up. I think it's, this is the most it can come up in terms of angle. So let's raise it up a little bit. You know, in the breeze it's slightly drifting. It's not like that stable. It is just going side to side. Is the camera stable though? Is the stabilization, the 3-axis gimbal working? I'm not sure. And this was a not fully charged battery, and it has been only a couple minutes. And I haven't even started maybe it's not even videotaping. I'm trying to screen capture. So I just started the video. I'm hoping it is also saving on the micro SD card. Let's take a couple more flights. Let's go next to our friends over here. Let's turn it around and come back. Let's bring it around. Right. It is buzzing here, and I think it's the low battery alarm. My phone is kind of buzzing a little bit. Maybe landing soon. Overall, it flies nice. It's just in the breeze it is doing this I don't know, toilet boil thing a little bit, going right and left. It is not completely like dead stable. Right now it's drifting a little bit. I'm walking with it, and I know there are many more functions, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to learn those functionality of the app and hopefully do another video and see if it was something that I was doing. So I'm just going to come over here and then land it now. Actually, oh, it landed itself. Oh no, it just really land. Alright, that was kind of strange. Like, do you see one of the legs? Okay. One of the legs kind of scratch on the ground and then like bent sideways. So yeah, I mean, it is nice, but it is not, I think, as good as I expected. So I guess maybe there's a reason that DJI, the Mavic Mini, is selling more expensively. I mean, this is good, but I don't think it's as good as those. The setup was a little difficult, binding the app, so it could have been more straightforward. But again, this is my first time with it. As I gain a little bit of experience, I'm hoping it's going to get better. So folks, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this review video, and hopefully I'll have another 1 or 2 videos about this Eachine camera drone. Hope to see you on the next videos. Stay safe and healthy. Take care. Bye bye.